Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I am back with my Lookfantastic beauty box unboxing and we are in the month of November. Now this month's box is this grey looking box. Well, it's more silver than grey, but it is part of prep season. So if you want to know everything I have received this month, then please continue watching. These are all the products we have received this month. And as usual, we have the editor's note, items that we'll receive in the box, what the box is all about, and just useful information and what's coming up next. So the first item we have in the box is a Revolution mini palette, which is worth £3.50. So this palette is a mini size palette, which is great for travel, and the shades it comes in is warm browns, golds and nudes. And these are the kind of colours we have. I'm just going to swatch a few of these so you can see what they look like. I'm going to take this brown, take a bit of gold, and I'm going to take this shimmer. So we have them here, and let's see what they look. As you can see, they are quite pigmented, and the shimmer and glitter is quite smooth to apply. The next product we have is the Advent Pro Perfecting Collagen Touche Éclat Primer, which is 30ml and worth £85. Now this is a lightweight silky texture primer which creates a smooth canvas. Now I'm not one for switching primers. I've used the same primer for God knows how many years and I swear by it, which is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, but I do look forward to trying this given that it comes with a very heavy price tag. On the back of here it says apply to clean dry skin, wear alone or under foundation to create a smooth even canvas, and it says do not continue if there's redness or irritation. The next product we have, which is a Bondi Sands Pure Sleep Tanning Mask, which is 10ml and worth £3.75. So this is like a overnight self tanner. You're supposed to wash your face, make sure it's dry, and then apply it on like a normal moisturiser and then wash your hands and sleep in it. So the idea is that you wake up with a nice sun-kissed glowing skin. On the back of here it says that it contains hyaluronic acid for hydration, vitamin C for brightening and vitamin E for repair. Wake up to hydrating glowing skin with our rich and nourishing formula that is colourless, fragrance free and good enough for sensitive skin. It's one of those products which is great for someone who loves tanning and wants an all year round tan. Next we have the Colour Wow Dream Coat 50ml, which is worth £12.50. Now this is a TikTok trending product which I have seen all over TikTok. It's a Colour Wow Dream Coat and it's supposed to be anti-humidity and it is activated by heat. So you're supposed to apply this on damp hair, dry your hair, and if you try to put any water drops on your hair or any forms of water on your hair, you will see that the water just dribbles straight past and it doesn't absorb into the hair. Now I am really curious to see if this actually works. And on the back of here it states that use every 3 to 4 shampoos, shampoo, condition, towel dry hair, divide into sections, spray each section liberally, comb through, blow dry each section. Then it says dry heat required to activate the product. So yeah, I'm actually looking forward to this. Next we have the Brushworks No Crease hair clips, and there's 2 of them which is worth £2.49. These are the clips and they are great for pulling your hair back when you're applying makeup or when you're sectioning your hair and blow drying it. They are plastic, which means that they don't leave any creases in the hair. And finally we have the Luxie 5x4 large angled brush. Now according to the Lookfantastic website and the Edit magazine, we are supposed to be receiving an eyeshadow brush. Now this isn't an eyeshadow brush, it's an angled brush which is used for contouring or applying blush on. Now this doesn't really matter as we've received a brush, but it would have been nice to receive an eyeshadow brush. Now guys, this brings me to the end of my unboxing tutorial. On the Lookfantastic website it stated that it was worth £124. I have recalculated this and I come to a sum of £114.14. Now I'm not sure what the discrepancy is, but we do have one. The box is definitely not worth £124 and maybe it's because of the items I have received. I hope you guys found this tutorial useful and enjoyed watching it. If you do want any deep reviews then please do let me know in the comment section below, and thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to give this tutorial a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and take care for now. I shall see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!